How do I identify chicken of the woods mushrooms? If you are hiking and curious about identifying chicken of the woods mushrooms, you are in for a treat. These mushrooms are not only edible but also quite striking. So, how do you spot them? First, look for their bright colors. Chicken of the woods mushrooms typically showcase a vibrant mix of sulfur yellow and orange. They grow in thick, overlapping clusters that resemble large, wavy-edged pancakes. These clusters can be quite large, sometimes reaching nearly a foot across. You might even find them stacked several feet high on trees. Next, pay attention to their shape. The caps are fan-shaped and have a velvety texture on the upper side. The underside is covered in tiny pores, which is a key feature of polypore mushrooms. Unlike gilled mushrooms, these do not have traditional gills. Instead, they have a smooth, porous surface that can be yellow in color. One important detail is how they attach to trees. Chicken of the woods mushrooms do not have a stem. Instead, they grow directly on the host tree. They are commonly found on hardwood trees like oak, but some varieties also grow on conifers such as fir or spruce. Knowing the type of tree can help you identify the species. For example, Ledoporus sulphureus and Ledoporus cincinnatus prefer hardwoods, while Ledoporus conifericola is found on conifers. The texture of the mushroom's flesh is another identifying trait. When young, the flesh is soft and spongy, resembling the texture of cooked chicken meat. This is how it got its name. If you crush a young specimen, it may releases a yellow moisture. As the mushroom ages, the flesh turns white and crumbly, and the smell is distinctly mushroomy. When hiking, you will often find chicken of the woods on weakened or dying trees. They tend to grow high up on trunks or branches, especially in areas where the tree is decaying. Large clusters are common in these spots. However, be cautious with very large or old specimens, as they may not be suitable for eating. Spotting chicken of the woods is usually straightforward due to their bright colors and large size. This makes them easy to see from a distance. They are a great mushroom for beginners to identify because they have few lookalikes. However, remember to never eat them raw. Cooking is essential, as raw mushrooms can cause digestive upset. To summarize, when identifying chicken of the woods mushrooms while hiking, look for bright yellow and orange shelf-like clusters on hardwood or sometimes conifer trees. Note the fan-shaped caps with a velvety top and porous yellow underside. Check for direct attachment to the tree without a stem. Observe the soft, fibrous flesh that resembles chicken meat. Finally, consider the type of tree and the mushroom's location, often on dying or weakened trees. Happy hiking and mushroom hunting!